Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to filter by risk people that you want to copy on eToro. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official eToro website right here at eToro.com if you have not already. So once you've opened it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. This is the home page from where we have the join eToro option. That's going to enable you to sign up for an account if you do not already have one. And if you have one, just go to the login button in the upper right corner and get started with logging into your account. So once you've logged in, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. At the left side of the screen, you're going to have the menu from where you can get started trading, investing, accessing the investors page, and we can find top people we want to invest into. So if you cannot find the section right here, you can just go to etoro.com/discover/people. This is the main URL of the page, and from here you can get started finding trading investors, market outperformers, and so on. Anybody that can help us get started with trading. So you can go ahead and filter them by risk right here. You can take a look at the returns percentage right here, and you can go and take a look at market outperformers and those focused on ETFs and long track record. And the long track record, the bigger the track record is, this means that the less the risk they are going to fill with their investments. This is how you can find people with a lengthy track record of stable performance, and this is how you can go ahead and manage people with a low risk that you can go and get started with opening up, copying, and that's how to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.